I spent $120 to ride Indonesia's newest luxury train. This is the most luxurious train in Asia. And what I found out completely changed my expectations. From private suites and 5-star services to views that don't even look real. This might be the most luxurious train experience in Southeast Asia. But is it actually worth the price? Let's find out.
Oh, I hold you so close.
If you don't know how the most luxurious train looks like, you need to keep watching this video because this video is going to blow your mind. It cost me 2,150,000 Indonesian rupiah to get this ticket, which is around $120. So it looks expensive, but comparing the luxury experience with the price, you know that it is very, very cheap. No, very, very affordable. So join me, let's go. So much traffic. The city is beautiful. It's green. Yeah, thank you so much.
Mama. Yeah.
Hello. Hello. We have some first class treatments.
Daerah Selatan segera datang dan masuk kereta api Bumaran. Dari sebelah kanan dari arah kedatangan kereta api. Atas nama
It's my luggage over here. There's also a Wi-Fi in this lounge. If you're not following me on TikTok, you're missing. Follow me on TikTok, just KNT. Same name as my YouTube. Alright guys, time to board. Wow. Guys, look at that. It is like a business class on a plane. Over here you have some remote control. I think this is AC control. You have this light control. You can charge your phone over here. Then we're gonna review this later. But let's see this. Oh. Wow, look at that. So you can also close this. If you want some privacy, of course you close this. So now you are the only one in this compartment suite class. Oh guys, look at that. This is awesome. Of course you can enjoy some entertainment over here. And also you have this iPad just by your side. You can navigate YouTube, the weather, and the rare informations and all that. This is drifting. What is this one? And over here you have this swipe to unlock. You can use to control your seats. Look, if I click on this one, I'll bring out the leg. This, look at it, brings out the leg. Oh, wow.
A pause for contemplation.
Yes, look at that.
Or a space to rejuvenate your energy. For each of those moments,
Wow.
allow us to offer comfortable
Here you can see. If you want to call any of the attendants, you just press this button and they'll come. So, yeah. Hello.
Hello. Sir, can you speak Bahasa?
No, English.
English, sir. Alright. Alright, sir, how are you today?
I'm very good.
Yeah, I'm happy to hear that. Alright, sir, for welcoming you, we have fresh juice from Reju with 2 options.
Okay.
The first one is beet guava. For the ingredients, guava, pineapple, and beet.
Okay.
And for the second one It's a Asian green. For the ingredients, spinach, cucumber, pineapple, and apple. Which you prefer?
Can you help me suggest one?
Okay, I'll be right back, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Alright guys. So this is better than business class on a plane. It's crazy. So we still have things we're gonna review here, but that will come later when we start moving. So there's so much to do here. Look at that. This is the back. If I want to relax, if I want this to move back, this I want to
Relaxation, sir. It's for Asian green. It's a fresh juice from Reju. Right?
from where?
Reju. From
Okay.
Reju.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this for the beet guava.
Okay.
And for ingredients, guava, pineapple, and beet.
Oh.
Yeah, which you prefer, me?
Okay, I can go with this one.
With this one?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be right back for the hot towel and welcome drink, sir.
Thank you
Yeah.
so
If
much.
you need any assessment, you can press call button, sir.
No problem.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Very
Can I
much.
close the door?
Yeah, you can. Terima kasih.
Yeah, that's fine.
So guys, like I was saying, if I want to sleep, because this is gonna be a 10 hours journey, maybe you're tired of sitting down, you want to sleep, you can actually press this. Oh my god, life is good. Wait, let me keep this camera somewhere. Cabo Verde is playing with Argentina on the knockout stage, so Cabo Verde over Messi. I love Messi, but Cabo Verde all the way. So let's continue. Oh yes. How far can it go? Whoa, guys, look at that. This is awesome. This is awesome. So let's bring it back. Oh yes. Actually, this is what 2,150,000 rupiah gets you here in Indonesia. I think this is the most luxurious train in Asia. This is so beautiful, guys. So there are so many features which I will show you by the time we start moving. This is the most luxurious and the most expensive. They also have the VIP, the other classes, yeah, but this is the VVIP. This is the most expensive class. This is the compartment suite class. So much to do, man. So much. You have some remotes. You have a remote over here. You have a remote. What does this do? Light. Oh, I see. So you have enough space. Of course, over here, this is where you can do some trashing of all the rubbish and all of that. You can trash them here. And you have this over here. It's like 30 ml. So let's quench our test. Good. That's some. Oh wow. Let me check out. Let's check out what is here. This looks like a headset, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, guys, you actually have a headset. Now, if you want to watch movies on YouTube, let me see if YouTube works. Oh wow. Let's check out KNT. Search. How do you search? Okay, search. And check the same thing here. The same thing you see here. So this is KNT. Oh, interesting. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you need to subscribe. Click the button over here to subscribe. So this is the television. So let's play the panoramic over here. Advert. Always make sure you watch the advert. It's very important. Look at that. Oh my god. So we can watch Oh, this is the panoramic. If you're not seeing this video, you need to see this video. If you want to see the most breathtaking train ride in Asia, or let's say Indonesia, you need to try the panoramic view train. Yeah, from Bandung to Jakarta. So that is what you hear. That's what you see here. So if you've not seen this video, you need to go check it out. You need to go check it out. If you've not seen this video, you need to go check it out. Alright, thank you.
Yes, your hot towel and welcome drink. Enjoy, sir.
Let's use this hot towel before you get cold. Oh, wow. Very refreshing. Right, my hand is scratched me. You know, we have this myth when we're growing up that when your palm scratches you, it means that good luck is coming your way. Maybe good luck is coming my way. Maybe this video is gonna go viral. Nice. So let's try this. Oh, this is good. Cheers. This is good. My visit to IKN, the new capital city in Indonesia, in Borneo Island. So if you have not seen the video, you need to go check it out. It's blowing up already. Whenever I use expensive train, I always make sure to check if they keep to time. So right here the time is 9:05. We're supposed to move by 9:10. That is 10 minutes after 9. Let's find out if this 2,150,000 rupiah train leaves early or leaves on time. We'll find out in the next 4 minutes. Keep watching, don't go anywhere. Exactly 9:09. We are moving. So we are moving 1 minute earlier. 1 minute earlier. So Surabaya, Pasarturi. Whenever you book this train, always make sure you are here early. This is the beautiful city of Surabaya. Awesome. The speed is picking up. Actually, they have 2 of this train moving in a day. They have one in the morning by 9 a.m. Then they have another one in the evening around 5 p.m. So you have to choose. I think that's a hotel. Whoa. Guys, I want to know the speed limits. We're gonna find out the speed of this train. So keep watching, man. This is mind-blowing. This is executive, compartmental executive. I want to find out if this works. So let's click it. Let's see who comes. Actually, it's not in vain. I want to ask a question, so that's what I'm doing. Is I'm not wasting their time. So, but let's see. Hello, brother. Can I walk around to see around? Hello. This is the toilet. Okay. This is the toilet on board. Actually, it's very, very spacious. Very clean also. We have a lot of ventilation coming in. Alright, thank you. Guys, look at that. Look how beautiful. So, hey. This speed is super fly. find a lot of rice field on this journey. Indonesia is very, very big in rice farming. So that's why I'm taking this day journey so that you can be able to see this with me, you know? Because at night, it's just gonna be boring. Look at that. Okay, guys, let's enjoy some food. Oh, okay. Nice, thank you so much. We have some delicious, I think it's a dessert or something. Whoa. This looks delicious. Let's see. Let's check out other cabins and see how they look like. So join me. Let's go. Alright guys. I want to check out other cabins. Thank you. Executive class. Wow, this is cool. This is the executive. Okay, this is the restaurant. Oh, I see. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Guys, this is beautiful. Hello. This guy is flying. Guys, all these classes are very beautiful. Look at the outside. Rice field. Where's the normal class, economy class?
Executive class and then compartment suite. No economic class.
Oh, thank you. Alright. Only has executive and the compartment. Wait, what is down here? Just want to go to the end. This is the last. This is the last one. What is down here? Wow. Guys, this is the last cabin. We need to go back. is the compartment class. Let's check it out. Wow. Thank you so much. Let's go. Compartment. Yeah. So this is my suite over here. Actually, in this train, there's no economy class. We only have the executive class and the compartment class. Just look at that. So let's relax a bit. Oh, beautiful. Actually, here we have a duvet. So in case we want to sleep, we use this. This is beautiful. If you want to close this window, let's say you want to sleep, want to close this window, all you have to do is to touch this button. If I touch this button, look, you can see it's blind. Then you turn it again, open. This is incredible. So let's relax a bit and enjoy this ride. Keep watching. Let's look at that rice field.
It's a shame because it's an unforced error and you really had this on for a crossing. You've got some space now to play with.
Japan! Nice. I'm very sure that this match will end 2-1. Brazil 2, Japan 1. Because Brazil, I said it to Brazil. Go on, come on. Yeah. Look. Brazil 1, Japan 1. Look at Ronaldo. Ronaldo is even there. I said it. Now Brazil 1, Japan 1. Brazil? No, they don't joke with football in Brazil. Oh, 90 minutes. Extra 5 minutes. Go ball! Brazil. Correct score 2-1. Brazil. These guys don't joke with football. We are watching out for Cabo Verde, and this is my prediction. It's gonna be 3-2. 3-2. Argentina 2 goals. Cabo Verde 3 goals. Don't joke with that. It's been 4 hours into the journey. It's time we sleep. Need to put up the lights. Alright. I'll see you guys in 2 hours. So we've been on the move for over 5 hours. So let me press this button. Let me call the attendant to know if there is lunch on board. So let's find out. Can I get more water?
Water?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Yes, sir. Alright, enjoy.
Alright, thank you.
Can I close the door?
Yes. This is very delicious. This is what you enjoy when you book the compartment suite class. Guys, this food is very delicious. Enjoying this beautiful movie over here. Wow. This is actually luxury. It's worth the money. And again, the views are breathtaking. Oh my god. You need to try this whenever you come to Indonesia. Thank you. Indonesia is very big in farm. I mean, rice farm, look at that. Green. Let me put on my shoes. I'm gonna stop in 20 minutes. As you see over here, we are approaching the station. So everybody is packing up. Yeah, so it was a very beautiful ride. Let me get my things together. We're stopping. I think over there. We are almost at the station. So it was a very smooth 10 hours. And it's like, let me check the time. We left by 9 and we arrived by, let's say, 5 p.m. That's approximately like 9 hours. 9 hours plus, so it was a very smooth ride. If you're taking a flight, it's actually more expensive, though the distance is shorter. But personally, me, train is my favorite means of transportation. I think there's a train that goes anywhere in this world. I would always travel with train to anywhere in this world. That's my favorite means of transportation. So if you're going from Surabaya to Jakarta, instead of flying, you can as well take your time and enjoy this ride. You can take the all-night ride, which leaves by 9 p.m. and arrive Jakarta the next day at 5 a.m. Or you can take the day if you want to enjoy the view and the nature. So you can see everyone is actually preparing to leave. So this is a smooth ride, highly recommended. So let me get my bags, let me get my things together. Whoa. Another one going to Bandu. I've already booked an Airbnb, so all I have to do to get out, I just book a ride, book a Gojek down to my Airbnb. It's around 15 kilometers from this station, so keep watching. We are almost there. We are here, we're just stopping. Everyone is ready to go down. Welcome back to Jakarta. My friend, thanks for your service. Whoa, let's go. Yes, thank you for your service. Whoa, sorry. Thank you. No. Alright. Thank you for your service. Where do I go? This side? Okay. Thank you for your service. Alright. Whoa, guys, welcome back Jakarta. Whoa. No problem. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Stasiun Surabaya Gubeng dengan jadwal keberangkatan pukul 17.00 akan segera berangkat atas nama PT Kereta Api Indonesia. Kami ucapkan terima kasih atas kepercayaan Anda. Selamat menikmati perjalanan dan sampai jumpa pada perjalanan berikutnya.
Bima train.
It's a very busy station actually.